Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your ever cosmetic subscription. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your correct account where you want to cancel your subscription. Okay, and once you've done this task, you need to visit on your profile icon and you need to find manage subscription option, and when you hit on manage subscription, you will see this kind of window, your subscriptions option. Okay, and on this window you will see your order history, your backup card, and there are lots of options also. Okay, so you need to scroll down on this page, and once you scroll down there is a option like this kind of option. You need to tap on three dots like more. On more three dots you need to tap on this option. You will see there is a option like cancel. Okay, you can also pause your subscription, you can also merge your subscription, you can cancel your subscription. Just simply hit cancel your subscription button and it will pop up a new window. On this window you need to select any reason why you want to cancel, and once you select your reason you need to hit submit button, and once you've done this thing you can cancel your subscription very easily. So now if you have any other issue you can make a comment, I will reply very soon, and by using this method you can easily cancel your ever subscription. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.